Hi, my name is David Merlin. Codebreaker is the name of a treatise about the differences between the tax code and the Internal Revenue Service's standard operating procedure, which I completed in early 1994 at the end of 6 years of analysis. It is nothing new or unproven. It is unique and stands in stark contrast to all those teachings, curriculums, and theories emanating from the anti-tax movement, the patriot movement, or any other group or collective. It's 2014, and Codebreaker is still an unknown approach to understanding the tax code, while it has in fact been used many times since 2006 to deter or prevent the commencement of criminal proceedings for tax crimes. In January of 2006, I filed a criminal complaint with 80 members of Congress that included a 58-page memorandum briefing the most potent of the Codebreaker conclusions, and this complaint has been used to prevent or terminate criminal investigations and grand jury proceedings in at least a dozen instances. I'm an independent paralegal, researcher, and whistleblower, and I have nothing whatsoever to do with the sovereign citizens, tax protesters, or any other group or individuals who claim to know anything about income taxation. No accountant, IRS enrolled agent, tax attorney, or IRS employee can speak on this level. Indeed, none of them are even aware of the existence of Section 83 and its applicability to any and all compensation for services. I've single-handedly caused the revision of Treasury regulations and IRS publications, and I have not gotten anyone into tax trouble, as have those who claim to be able to get an American a full refund of what they've paid by filing a certain tax return or by claiming a certain status or citizenship. Despite having had 20-plus years to place my conclusions on the IRS's list of frivolous arguments, the government still pretends Codebreaker does not exist and refuses to go on record with a brief to the contrary. Although the government can't provide cogent refutation of any nature to the conclusions in Codebreaker, do not consider any of this to be legal advice, tax advice, financial advice, or political advice. The law is perfect, that's all. These video segments allude at times to materials not currently available. Please revisit takefromcaesar.us from time to time if you want more information or instructional materials regarding what one might do in pursuit of the lawful enforcement of a perfect tax code. I hope you enjoy the Codebreaker classes, and I thank you for your time and indulgence.